Hi guys, my name's Gavin from Rolf & Co Photography, and this is my top 5 tips for photographing dogs. Hi. Number 1. In just the same way as you need to take your time to get to know a person, a dog needs to take your time to get to know you. They need to know you're not too scary, so get down on their level, let them smell your hand, give them a bit of attention. Generally, I won't start shooting until I've had a big kiss. From the dog, obviously. Number 2, ask the owner what they like. It's not always treats. Good one. It's not always treats. Sometimes it's a ball or a toy or something like that. So ask, see what's going to work. Number 3, seems kind of obvious, but if you're going to get them to sit still with a treat or with the ball or with a toy, make sure you actually give it them. Don't just sit there with an empty promise. If they don't think they're going to get it, they're going to get bored really, really quickly. Good boy. Well done. 4, same as with people, different dogs flatter differently. For example, Ralph here just doesn't look right in a long lens. Don't know why. Wide angle looks so much better at him. I think there's something a bit more playful about the wide angle that just suits him a little bit more. But again, take your time, try a few options, see what works best for them. But you're going to eat that? Oh, okay, there you go. You fatty. Number 5, constant attention. What you're doing is probably new and strange to the dog. You need to keep them relaxed the whole time. If you keep going back, giving them attention, let them know it's fine, they're going to stay relaxed and hopefully keep doing exactly what you're doing. So put the camera down, get in there, give them a snuggle, tell them it's okay, and then go again. Just keep going back to them, you'll keep them happy. Maybe don't do that with people though. Thank you very much for your time. Hit subscribe, and we'll get back to you with some more videos soon. Not good. Not good. Touch. Good boy. Well done. You're spoiled, aren't you? Yeah, really spoiled.